Hello, back with Feed Bees Infinity. Today we'll be working with some more immersive engineering. We'll make the windmill. So, let's see. We're going to need this Celtic dynamo, copper, and sticks. Yep, need some copper. Let's get 16 out of it. A stack of 64. Then we need some iron. Let's see. How many? I'll just make as many as I can. These copper wire cools are should get with 8 of them. Pretty handy to use them other places. Well, they're all through the. I believe they're in. Oh, I guess they're not in that. They're in a thermoelectric generator. So yeah, they're in a few things. Probably gonna need a lot of them, but right now I just need one. Redstone and some iron. I need to move my redstone over here. Monster spawner. Oh, wait a minute. Put on while I was outside doing something, and I had let my dogs outside. Just put it on peaceful. Okay. I think it's a top and 2 of these. I think it might be backwards. Alright, now we need to make I want to make the improved windmill. That's why I made the hemp fiber garden. It's done real well. Doesn't take long to fill up. I had taken it down for the amendment because I'm going to make a different garden. If I need them anymore, I'll just put it in there. I looked through it. I didn't see a whole lot of different things that was needed. So we need sticks. I'm not sure how many we're going to need. Let's make a bunch of them. Make 32, see what that does. Wrong one. So we got them. We need to make treated wood. I think I already have some treated wood. And some treated sticks. But I got stuff all jacked up. I got it everywhere. Is that treated wood? It's glass bricks. Let's get that pattern down. So we're going to need 8 of these all together. Oh, wrong one. That pattern down. Well, I don't think we need 16 of them. A little bit of overkill, but it'd be alright. So we get exactly what we need, 8. It's on the boot. And a piece of steel ingot. You get a piece of steel. I think that's a piece of steel right there. And let's put it together. And now we have that. Alright, so let me ditch some of the stuff. I made these steel scaffolding a while back, and I just never done nothing with them. Let me put these fibers back. I would assume the windmill. I did a mod pack one time where the windmill will wear out over time. but I don't believe. Yeah, I got rid of a bunch of seeds I had. See, I might need a couple stacks of wood. I'm not for sure how high we're gonna make this thing. Let me get out what we're gonna need. I'm gonna make it a medium boat, and should have enough wire right there to do it. Yeah, I did have these guys fenced in, but I let them go. I felt bad for them. So I'm gonna put it right here. I'm gonna see, try to put it right in the middle of it. So that would be somewhere around here. Bring it back in here. Give it some room from that plan. That's what I plan on making the garden at. Okay. Ooh, you know what? Well, I can climb up and down this thing. Hopefully. A little scary, ain't it? That's pretty damn high. I don't know if that'll be enough. Maybe about right there. Now we just gotta make sure it's setting right in the right spot. Now if I can get the what do we need? What do we need? That. Let's go around here, get my head chopped off. Whoop. Alright, then we're gonna need. There you go. Ooh. Alright, let me see if I can get something here to not there. Let me get my axe out. I didn't want it to. I wanted to move it down just a little bit. Alright. Then we'll knock these two out. Then we'll put that right there. And let's see. And then connect these two. Alright, you're supposed to be able to move 16 or 17 blocks with this. Let me figure a good way of doing this. Let's see. I'm not going to be able to count that. Well, what they can do, let's cut that out. See if we can. Oh, that ain't gonna work. Let me, we'll just do it this way. Who else down here? Yep, right there's somebody looking for me. You know, that might not be the best idea right there. Maybe we need to come off the side of it. There we go. Now we can, let's go till we get to that connector. This is going to make it easier. If you do the high voltage, you're not going to be able to connect them like that. You have to put I'll show you when I get up here. If you're going to try to have voltage, you might be staying up here a while. Let me connect this. Let me connect that. Wrong one. You need these guys in order to connect the high voltage, and they hang underneath the blocks. They gotta be dead underneath it. They won't hang on the side, I don't think. No, they hang underneath it. So you gotta make a series of these down the side, which is a pain in the ass. Which actually that don't. I mean that's stuck off to the side anyways, so it doesn't look right anyways. But you'd have a bunch of them if you decide to go that route. So we're gonna go ahead and hit that connector. Come down a little bit. Put one there. Connect it. Oh, you know what? I should have. I didn't hit that. Alright. And then come down a little more. I don't know. I don't care if it's exactly 17 blocks. It's probably going to be a lot shorter than what it's supposed to be. Let's get that. That, and then let's run like hell. Ooh, you look. Where you at? There's a witch. Well, he ain't really gonna do a whole lot to me. I got the good armor on. I got hat unlocked. Alright, let me get in here. Oh, he might just hurt me. I got some food. I got the food. Ooh, that was close. Let me go over and get. Let's see what I got. I got some bread right there. Alright, let's take an old nap. Let's make sure there ain't no creepers out here. Well, you know what? I want to make while we're doing this, I got a harvester and stuff set up over there. Doesn't have any power. I want to power that, so I want to make I think it'd be pretty cool is a telephone bowl. So we're gonna need a couple of these. We'll make 4 of them. Who knows where we might need them at. Excuse me. And some treated sticks. I don't know what I was doing there. Yeah, my count's way off, ain't it? But, yeah, we're going to need more than that. And probably one more to go. Alright, get in there. And what was it? Bam, bam, and then 4 of these, and let's check them out. We're going to need a hammer, I believe. That don't look too bad. From the way I put the connectors in, we'll be getting really soon from there, but don't look that bad. So first one, put 12-inch pole right here, and then we'll hit the sides of it. Ain't gonna need all that. And then let's see, we'll put these connectors down here. Nope, can't have everything down there. Then we'll put one here, and then we're going to connect these two. And then we'll put another one over here. Now I did have power this at one time, but I didn't keep it. See, how would be the best way to just crack it here on this? We'll just hit that one corner. And of course I'm gonna need that. Alright, so we'll put that one there. Then we'll put that one there. As you can see, it's not full of energy, so we're gonna find out. But turbo poles don't look too bad. And we'll connect to this. I think, yeah, I have one I want to connect there. What let's see. That's one more. Man. How about if I try putting this on top? There we go. That's what we need. Yeah, they'll actually connect the different. Oops. They'll actually connect the different mod packs. See if I have enough. Too far away. So what about we put this telephone pole? Let's put it right here. Then we'll just take this one down. I got buttons on side on my mouse, and I clicked it. Alright, let's see this stuff. It's like I said, it was like 60 or 17 blocks, I believe. Let's see if this will be enough. Connect, and there we go. And let's see if this thing's powering up. Oh yeah, full of energy. So my next build, that's pretty decent height. If I have to, I can go up further. If I need more power, but I think this is going to be enough. So that wasn't just for that. I'm going to use this, and I'm going to put in a nice big garden. Thanks for watching.